Hey, what's going on? So this is how to withdraw funds on CEX.io to your credit card or bank account or whatever. So the first, if you want to use a credit card or a card, you just have to link it. If you still haven't used it, you just link it really quick, and after that you can make a transaction in a few clicks. So to do so, you go to the wallet page right there, and after that you see your currencies. You're gonna click on withdrawal button next to your currency you want, and you can use this, but this only appears in for positive balances. Yeah, so right after that you're gonna click select the destination. You see this, you can select bank account, credit card, alternative methods, yeah, the method you want. And after that you're gonna enter the amount right there and keep an eye on the you will receive amount. Yeah, so if you accept that you will receive this much, you're gonna I have read agree with risk notice and then click proceed. And just like that, you're gonna confirm your withdrawal with two-factor authentication code. So you receive the email address connected with your CEX.io account confirming your withdrawal request. Usually that takes about few minutes to 3 days depending on your bank account speed. So yeah, it usually takes that much, and that is it.